This is the Polaroid OneStep Plus camera. Just like the Polaroid OneStep 2, it's an easy-to-use, point-and-shoot analog instant camera. But it also has some new features. Most importantly, it uses Bluetooth to connect to the Polaroid Originals app, unlocking a world of creative features. We'll show you how to get connected shortly, but first, we're going to talk you through the camera's basic features. First, switch your camera on. Then, load your camera with film. The OneStep Plus is compatible with both I-type and 600 film. The OneStep Plus has two lenses, a standard lens and a portrait lens. The OneStep Plus also has a flash override button for shooting without flash, and a light and darken switch, which allows you to adjust the camera's exposure settings. When you're ready to take your photo, press the shutter button. Your photo will eject beneath the film shield. Remove the photo, taking care not to rip the film shield and keep it shielded from light as it develops. Now we've covered the basics. Let's connect to the app. To connect your OneStep Plus to your phone, make sure you have Bluetooth on your phone switched on. Open the Polaroid Originals app, then press the plus button on the front of your OneStep Plus. When your camera is paired with your phone, the plus button will change to solid blue. Once connected, the app gives you access to 6 new creative techniques for your OneStep Plus: a remote trigger, self-timer, double exposures, light painting, noise trigger, and manual mode. For more information on how to use each of these features, press the light bulb symbol in the top right of the screen while a mode is selected. The Polaroid Originals app also offers all other features, including inspirational videos, creative tips and tricks, instant access to the Polaroid Originals store, and an intuitive Polaroid photo scanner. You can learn more about these features in our other tutorial videos. And that's it. You're ready to start taking photos with your OneStep Plus. Have fun.